still going?
I guess. But what, do they have directions?
Yeah, go back in. I think we meet here or something.
Like, did they ever tell us what?
Well, I guess, are you free to go?
I don't know. He
Yes,
said to be in line, right?
Yeah, but I don't know where they're going. Oh.
Okay, stop.
I thought we were supposed to follow them.
Follow him.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry.
Lo siento.
Lo siento.
Because no one said anything.
What?
Like, they just said go.
It's like really like agile.
So we're following?
Yo, huh?
So are you gonna go? What? Are we following him? What did he say?
It's still a boat.
Okay. Oh, that's what he's doing now?
No, it's like it feels like it.
Are they chasing after him? Well, they took off, so we thought we were supposed to follow
And then
them.
when I see go, I go, man.
Because we're all in the line, and it's like, okay, we followed them. But then I'm like, but wait, what instructions? Oh, are you?
Yeah,
Okay, I thought you stalled the boat. Woo!
kind of crazy.
Now we're doing this?
Yeah, it's not quite street. It's not quite snow. And it's ice. It feels like ice. Yeah.
Because we're going fast, keep the distance longer.
So we're communicating from him to you, not from him to us, to them?
Yes, so they can all see it. There's no way can the people in the back see him. I thought he meant like turn signals like a car. Like when you're about to hit someone, you do this.
Look at that house. Did he go faster?
I didn't see the signal. If it starts to go faster.
It's like really great. It's like bouncy ice.
Hey, Grand Theft Auto.
Is he standing up in one of these things?
Yes. Don't
No,
you
he's
dare.
not kneeling or something.
He's Whoa!
I think this is probably a lot better than the jet ski. It ain't no picnic. Look at all those things.
Whoa! Man overboard! Would you rather ride on the crunchy road or here?
Yeah. Crunchy road.
Crunchy, crunchy.
Yeah, the crunchy road sucks more than this.
Oh my goodness! Oh, look behind. Like, what? Like they're wild. I would stick my hand in the water, but I think I would fall off.
You don't need to like put any part of your mass out there. It just means something to grab you and flick you off.
Woo!
Hey, we're speedboating through like the Yucatan.
My lips are getting dry.
Hey, turn off that video.
The what?
I said, like, if you want to, turn off the video or whatever.
Okay.